Going on, guys, in this video we are going to take a look at equivalent model of a PNP transistor. Here we have PNP transistor. This is the equivalent model. We need this equivalent model if you want to do the circuit analysis, like when you want to do the nodal analysis or any other method. This will be easy if you convert this one into this equivalent model. That's why we need this equivalent model. Now here in the PNP transistor, when the base current flows, it allows the collector current to flow from collector to emitter. Here it's the same thing. Here we have base current flowing in this direction, and here we have VBE. This is usually 0.7 voltage, the voltage across the base and the emitter, 0.7. and here we have a dependent voltage source, because dependent current source, because it depends on the IB. If the IB is 0, then the current is going to be 0 right here, and IC is flowing from here to here. And this VC is the difference, the voltage difference between the collector and the emitter, and IE is going in this way. Okay, and that's the equivalent model. When we do the circuit analysis, like nodal analysis, those kind of stuff, we had to convert this PNP transistor into this, but actually this one is this is not PNP, NPN, because for PNP the current is in the opposite direction. So I made a mistake in the title. This is NPN transistor. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn electronics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.